In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable trade confirmation on Steam. By the end, you'll have your profile set up so trade offers can reach you properly, your items are visible for trading, and you'll know how to share your trade URL safely. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer, or head to the Steam website in your browser. Sign in securely through the official Steam login page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile name. From there, choose View My Profile, and then select Edit Profile. This is where you'll adjust the key privacy settings that affect trading and confirmations. Inside Edit Profile, go to Privacy Settings. Find the Inventory option and set it to Public. This is important because other users and trading services need to view your tradable items in order to send you offers that you can review and confirm. If your inventory is private, many trade offers won't even appear. While you're here, uncheck the option that says Always Keep Steam Gifts Private. Leaving that unchecked ensures gifts can be handled correctly in trade-related contexts. Changing your inventory to public does not expose personal account details, it only makes your item list visible for trading purposes, and you can switch it back later if you prefer. Next, return to your profile and open your inventory. In the inventory screen, look for Trade Offers and select it. This takes you to the Trade Offers hub, where you'll manage incoming and outgoing offers and control who can contact you. Now click the link that says Who can send me trade offers. This page includes your personal trade URL. If you don't see one, Steam will generate it for you. Copy this URL and share it only with trusted trading partners. This link allows others to send you trade offers directly, even if you're not on each other's friends list, which streamlines the process. If you ever receive unwanted offers or feel your link has been shared too widely, you can reset or regenerate your trade URL on this same page to cut off old links immediately. With your inventory set to public and your trade URL ready, you'll be able to receive offers, review the details, and confirm trades with confidence. These adjustments ensure Steam can present offers correctly so you can evaluate items, quantities, and terms before you accept or decline. That's it. Thanks for watching.